Here's a really good strengthening exercise that we can do standing. This one is called the step up, and all you're going to need is a stair or a step. So I always like to focus on the side that has the most amount of issues. Let's say that we have a lot of pain, tightness, maybe even weakness off to our left side. You're going to take that side's foot, place right at the edge of that stair or the step, and you're going to step up like this. So it's really important during this exercise that we keep our hips and pelvis level so they're not tilted like this. Instead, all movement is going to come through our painful side's knee. If it's the first time doing this, you're more than welcome to grab off to a wall for support, but you really don't want to use that because it's going to challenge the gluteus minimus to stabilize this movement and eventually gain more strength. So this other leg is going to go right out in front of us like this, and what you're going to do is just slowly bend that knee and squat downward like this, lowering your foot towards the floor. Try to tap your foot on the floor or go down as far as you feel comfortable, and then you're going to drive back upward with your leg using your leg strength. Try to go down and up 5 to 10 times, and with each repetition just build into it a little bit more. Afterwards, see how you feel. If it feels like you have a little bit more energy, always challenge yourself by throwing in another set or two. But if you would like to take this one to the next level, we can add in another movement called the hip hiker, which is going to target some more muscles that work with the gluteus minimus. So for this one, whatever side that you're having issues, you want that side off. So let's demonstrate what to do if you have a lot of right-sided pain. I'm going to take my left leg, I'm going to place it right at the edge of that step while the painful side's foot goes right off to the side. Now drive this hip upward towards the ceiling as much as you can. When you do this, you're going to feel a deep activation of the muscles in the lower back working towards the belt line, finally into the glutes or the buttocks. You're going to hold this position for a couple seconds, and then you're going to slowly release it and then lower your foot towards the floor. But don't let it touch, just let it hover. You're going to feel a deep stretch on the other side. Again, you're going to hold this for a second or two and repeat this going up and down 5 to 10 times. But again, if it feels like you have a little bit more energy, always challenge yourself by throwing in another set or two. And with both of these movements, whatever you do on one side, you always want to do on the other to help keep everything in balance.